A 3 BHK flat available for rent at Orchid Piccadilly. This is situated in Thanisandra main road, just 15 minutes away from Manyata Tech Park. You have a spacious balcony over here. View towards, this is the Thanisandra road. You have Bhartiya City just there. The rent for this flat is 50,000 plus maintenance. You have your spacious L-shaped living room with separate dining area and an open modular kitchen, where you have a utility area attached to it. Contact Bangalore North Real Estate for more flats. This will be your first bedroom, which have a full-size wardrobe, again similar view towards the city skyline. We have all the amenities available in this society, from gym, swimming pool, kids play area, library, covered car parking, you name it, you get it. On the left hand side you are having your common washroom. This will be your second bedroom, again with a standing balcony, wardrobe with lofts and a attached washroom. This is on the 10th floor. We have similar units available for rent in same community and nearby. So feel free to reach us at 9113203639. This will be your master bedroom, which have an attached washroom along with the full-size wardrobe, lofts. The color combination is really nice in this flat. And you have your again attached balcony in the master bedroom. So total 3 balconies, 3 washroom, and the rent is just 50,000 plus maintenance. Subscribe to our channel for such amazing videos. Contact 9113203639 or 6363757615 for more info. Thank you.